Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you would. Today we're going to take a look at this headlamp that I purchased on Amazon. It's the best inexpensive headlamp I've ever used, and I really wanted to share it with y'all. It's the OV LED by Broadbeam, and you can see it's got quite an array of LEDs. It's powered by 3 AAA batteries, and I'm just really a fan of this headlamp, so I wanted you to see it. So this is the headlamp. I know it's an awesome fashion statement, but it does work very well. If I turn it on, you can see it lights extremely well. Anywhere you look is really lit up, and it pretty much lights up the whole room as you look around. I've used it in attics and crawl spaces, and it does a really great job. And it is inexpensive, and I wouldn't want to use an expensive headlamp in those types of areas because they tend to get damaged and dirty and nasty over time. There is a lower setting as well, which is a little easier for those around you when they're looking at you. And then of course you can turn it off. There is a switch on the back too that allows it to lock so the button doesn't work. And then when you flip it on, it does come on. I really am a big fan of these headlamps, but it's mainly because they're so inexpensive and work so well. I've owned several headlamps that were a little bit more money that didn't work nearly as well and were not as durable. Every day on Amazon, these are under $15. I've caught them on sale a couple of times for under $10, and when we bought them for our company, we were actually able to get 3 for under $9 a piece, which is a great value. I'll put a link in the description so you can get one, and we really do appreciate it if you use our links. Since we're part of the Amazon affiliate program, it helps support the channel. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything you want to add that I didn't include, please put that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks.